could be?
It could be anyone. It could be anyone.
This is bad.
Rebecca, look out the mail slot and see who it is.
Why me?
You said you was in charge.
I am. And I'm telling you to do it.
Charlie, she's telling you to do it.
I think they might have already left anyway.
Hello? I got a package here for young Dylan.
Young Dylan. Someone who knows my rap name. It must be fan mail.
Nobody is sending you any fan mail.
Oh, bad.
It'd be a lot of fan mail, but here's a crazy idea. How about you take the package and you can find out?
Just leave it outside the door, please.
Can't. Need a signature to leave it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing?
Getting my package. What does it look like I'm doing?
You can't.
Why not?
Yeah, why not?
Come on, Dylan. We don't open the door for strangers.
Hey, yo, G. What's your name?
Romeo. People call me Rome, but Romeo works. My mama calls me that. So does my granny.
Dude, we got it.